Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And in this case, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Signature. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. There we go. Alright. So, the Victorinox Signature is one of the standard 58mm Victorinox Swiss Army knives. It's very similar to their Classic and their Signature Light. The difference is the Classic. Okay, so the Victorinox Signature, it has the small knife blade, like normal. It has the nail file and small screwdriver, small regular screwdriver. It's got the scissors on the back, like normal, and it has the tweezers, like so, but where the Victorinox Classic has a toothpick on this scale, the Signature has a small extendable ballpoint pen. So it lets you write with it if you're so inclined. And this particular knife, the Signature, it's the, I guess you'd call it the middle knife between the Classic and the Signature Light. With the Victorinox Signature, you keep the tweezers and you get the pen and in place of your toothpick. With the Signature Light, what happens is they swapped out both scales. You have the pen scale and you also have a small flashlight scale. Well, you have a flashlight scale. So that's the difference between the Classic, the Victorinox Signature, and the Signature Light. And for some inexplicable reason, these are flipped around a little bit. Did y'all notice that? The key ring is off. I don't know. I always kind of wondered about that. Anyway, if you're looking for a little, like, portable Swiss Army knife to go on your keychain, and you also want to work a pin into it, like maybe you don't use the toothpick at all, but you like the tweezers, then the Victorinox Signature is not a bad choice. It's a relatively affordable knife too. I think they're like 20 bucks or something. They're not expensive. I'll include a link in the description for actually all three of these if you want to check them out. But the Victorinox Signature it's a really cool option if you like this particular size of knife. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's anything you think I should take a look at, let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.